All right, so in today's episode of It's Always Something on My Car, radiator cooling fan. So I really can't complain. This thing's been in there for lots of years. Replaced this, it's been several 100,000 miles ago for this fan. This is the fan on the driver's side of the J series. This is the radiator cooling fan. The one on the other side is the condenser fan for the air conditioning. So this other one has a metal shroud. This thing is a piece of plastic. So as you see here, one's broke off. Several of them are disconnected. So getting ready to go on a long trip this weekend for about a week and a half, and noticed this thing was not doing well. So I got a replacement Dorman. There's part number for it. So this is from Advanced Auto. I normally order stuff from Rock Auto these days, but I just don't have time to wait, so I had to source this locally. So it was a little bit more expensive than the Rock Auto unit, but I had to have it. I didn't want to take a chance with that stupid thing. So pretty easy to get out. 2 bolts on top, 2 bolts on the bottom. So right here, and then 2 down below. And then you just have the plug down there, right there. And the wiring for that plug snaps into the fan unit here. This little piece right here is where the clip goes into. So pretty easy fix. Just had to disconnect the upper radiator hose. I'll clean up the coolant and add some more coolant to it. And I took the reservoir out of the way just to make some extra space, but pretty simple repair. So we'll get it back on the road. All right, so like I said, really easy. Hook the plug up underneath there, and then get a bolt on each side of the bottom there. You can access them from the top here, not a big deal. There you see the wire plugged into the fan shroud, and then the 2 bolts up here. So all I got left to do, reconnect the upper hose, put the reservoir in there. Coolant reservoir has a little 10 mil right here. This is all 10 millimeter on this job. Super easy. Put the coolant reservoir back in there, and then top off the coolant, and that would be good to go. All right, got everything in, buttoned up. Put some coolant in the reservoir. Started it up. The fan started spinning almost right away because it's still hot here in South Texas. So for the J series guys and girls, driver's side fans, cooling fan, that's the one that's going to come on when the temperature gets hot in the radiator. Passenger side's for the air conditioner, that's going to come on when you turn the AC on for the J series. And then for those of you that are following the car, we're getting ready to do some road tripping in it, and there you go, 1,086,984 miles. Getting ready to go to Illinois and Vermont, and then to Ohio on the way home for, I'm going to the National Acura Legend meet in Burlington, Vermont, and then I'm going to stop back through Honda Heritage Center for the Honda meet, and that's on Sunday, September 7th. So hopefully I'll see some people there that have seen the car online. I've got some people I've been talking to on Instagram I'm going to get to meet in person now on this trip, so looking forward to that. So, all right, thanks for watching. See you next video.